Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to mention someone in Instagram story from computer. So first of all, open Instagram account. So look here, not showing to story option. So first of all, click on to mouse left side and click on refresh and customize mobile template. Now I am select iPhone 12 Pro and now shown here to story option. Click on story, select image, not showing to mention option, tap onto text, click on to @ and type here to account name. Now I am selecting this ID for mention and finally click on to done and add your story. So that's how you can easily mention someone in Instagram story from computer. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.